The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following Georgia counties: Baldwin and Hancock, effective until 8:26 a.m. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Baldwin County in central Georgia, southwestern Hancock County, and east central Georgia until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Milledgeville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milledgeville, Midway, Hardwick, Beulah, Underwood, Hardwick, Allenwood, and Linton. Precautionary/preparedness actions: this tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following Georgia counties: Baldwin, Hancock, Putnam, and Warren, effective until 4:56 p.m. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northern Baldwin County in central Georgia, southeastern Putnam County in central Georgia, Hancock County in east central Georgia, Warren County in east central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday. At 10:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar and automated rain gauges have estimated between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Milledgeville, Warrenton, Sparta, Norwood, Camac, Meriwether, Springfield, Culverton, Shoulderbone, Powellton, Devereux, Mayfield, Jewell, Shoals, Underwood, Beale Springs, Oconee Springs Park, Plant Harley Branch, Cadley, and Reese. Precautionary/preparedness actions: turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.